Good evening and good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to cook turkey, very yummy turkey grilled, and also because today is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, everyone. First thing to do, we have to marinate the turkey with olive oil, rosemary, dill, seasoning dry like dill or rosemary, and mix it together, and also black pepper and olive oil and also the butter. And you have to wrap all entire the body of turkey. And also guys, and you have to poke it's the body of the turkey with a knife, so the flavor is goes through and inside the meat or inside the turkey. It's super yummy. You have to try. Some people, it's different to put the turkeys. Today is Thanksgiving here in United States. Every last day of Thursday of the month of November, so the celebrating of Thanksgiving here in US is very important holiday in USC. So guys, they're coming some of my friends, of my daughters, and also some of my my daughter family of her husband come to in my house. So this is the stuffing, guys. So as you can see, we chop the onions and carrots, celery inside the turkey before they bake it, guys. So after marinate this a whole night, after that we marinate this whole night before we put inside the oven. So you need to try, guys. It's so yummy. Some people they put a lot of butter inside and outside of the turkeys, but ours is olive oil, a little bit of butter, and rosemary, dill, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. So as you can see, we put already the what you call that is the sauce into bottles of the sauce to inject the turkey. It's like a flavoring, like a sauce of the turkey, so it get more tasty after we bake. So as you can see, guys, we have to inject all the sauce, the 2 bottles of sauce of the turkey. So our turkey is tastes very yummy. So thank you, happy Thanksgiving all in United States of America, and everyone is get together and eat a lot of food during the party. So thank you so much for watching, and to all my YouTuber subscribers, supporters, to all my idol, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Subscribe, likes, and don't forget to post the notification. So the turkey, guys, is ready to serve. As you can see, it's done. So we bake this at least 4 hours and a half. 4 hours and a half in the oven and marinated all night. Thank you. As you can see, it's ready to serve. So now the parties begin, and let's eat, guys. We have a lot. We cook a lot of food. My husband and my two daughters cook, and this some of her friends came, and also the family of my daughter husband there came too. So thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you sa ating Lord. Thank you very much to our Almighty God that give us a more blessing, and thanks to my husband and also my daughters. And God bless America, and to all my friends, happy Thanksgiving all. Thank you so much. Be safe. Very thankful, very blessed, and very thanks a lot that all my YouTuber and subscriber, silent supporter, always support me. Thank you so much. God bless you all. So thanks, subscribe, likes, please leave comment, and don't forget to push the notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you always update it. And happy Thanksgiving to all again. God bless. I love you all. I hope you have wonderful day and night and stay bliss and safety and healthy. Thank you all my supporters, subscribers, silent viewers, and to all my idols. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful, and thank you so much for watching my video. I enjoy watching. Bye. Take care and see you my next video. And God bless America.